Today, andito ako sa mga haunted house. Yan ang aking client today na palinisan. Ang laki-laki ng place pero sarado, baka mumu yung nandun sa loob. Ganito ang paligid ng out of the city dito sa Doha. Hoy, ang driver ko saan pupunta? Ayan, nalalaki ng mga puno, oh. Para akong nasa forest. It's a very big palace. Mansion lang pala, hindi palace. So, cleaning services tayo. Tsaka ang ganda, oh, ang daming ibon. Farm. Itong dates na ready to eat pero parang hindi siya healthy. Ito yung building na request for cleaning. So getting ready. Siya, para siyang farmhouse. Hanggang doon sa likod, ang daming kakahuyan, tapos mga ibon. So this is another room with the toilet. That can. That's room?
No, nothing.
So the carpet just need to have a vacuum.
Which one?
Matchless windows. So we need a ladder. Does it need to have a chandelier? Stairs around. And then that's the...
Yes, somebody was asking me something?
Yes, Mr. Usman, the chandelier needs to clean.
Sorry?
The chandelier. The lights.
The chandelier, no.
No need?
No need.
Okay. This is the kitchen. Okay, so cabinets, windows, a storage. Right. Okay. And this one, only vacuum, another matchless with a toilet. Toilet here. Windows. So, number 2 matchless. And this is the main entrance. Just need to have sabun. And water, no need scrubbing. This one is only vacuum. 3rd majlis with the toilet. Yeah, attach the toilet there.
Guys, done?
Yeah, I'm done. Upstairs. 2nd floor.
Left, right,
To the right. There is a big room. So window and the flooring. Cabinets. a big toilet. This is in the first floor. And another bedroom with a toilet here. Okay, so windows, that wardrobe, and this is the another bedroom, wardrobe, window. A hall, and this is kitchen, and the majlis, first floor majlis with this bed and the wardrobe. And the toilet attached. Laki-laki ng bahay. So furnitures are not included.
Not included. The carpets, only the vacuum.
Carpets, floor, and windows. Curtains, I think. No? All the curtains?
No.
Only windows.
Yes. Windows also I will.
But they will remove the curtains or no?
I think so.
No, from our side.
They can lift the furniture and clean from inside. From the bed, just wherever they can reach.
Okay.
No need to remove the whole things.
Yan
For
lang.
example, this just lift it and
Okay.
vacuum.
Also the window curtains, yeah?
Windows only from the inside,
Yeah.
nothing from the outside.
Okay. So this is the majlis in the entrance. Done.